My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up windows by the site Time4stableupgradeset.work. Some people may notice these pop-ups windows having the very long name of the domain, and the point is that such pop-ups are extremely dangerous. Their mission is not to help your Mac function better, but rather to infect your Mac with potentially unwanted programs. If you have noticed these pop-ups by Time4stableupgradeset.work, be careful, do not interact with them, and do not download anything that they might suggest you to download. This is actually a fake software update. Here it says that some media player might be out of date, but this is a totally deceptive information you should never trust. If you mistakenly download and install this sort of a flash player, you may end up installing some adware, some browser hijackers, and other unwanted apps. So check your available Mac applications and delete those items that are suspicious. Also, be sure to carefully look for the system preferences, and if you find some profiles that could be added by mistake, these profiles may be related to some browser hijackers or adware, and this all happens because of these fake software updates by Time4stableupgradeset.work. Be careful and once again stay away from interacting with these pop-ups. If your Mac still functions in a very unusual manner and you see that it works slow, consider checking it with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and examine the system with this tool to make sure it is free of any other hidden threats. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. In my case it was in the premium mode, but you'll see a pretty similar picture with the trial mode of Combo Cleaner. The program gives you the report about threats found. You may go to the antivirus section, click on review results. So as you can clearly see, this is the list of all threats that were found during the scanning. How to get rid of these threats manually? Of course, you can see the location of specific threat, plus you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you the location of the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats and get rid of these threats manually. Or, of course, you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.